Students, today we will discuss exercise number 3B, question number 6. In this question, we will discuss sum of twin prime numbers. Let me first explain you prime numbers. Number 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 2 itself. 3 is a prime number because it has only two distinct factors, 1 and 3 itself. A natural number which has two distinct factors, 1 and itself, is called a prime number. Twin prime numbers. Consider a pair of prime numbers 3 and 5. If we subtract 3 from 5, the difference is 2. That's why 3 and 5 is called twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are a pair of prime numbers with a difference of 2. If we subtract 5 from 7, the difference is 2. Similarly, the examples of other twin primes numbers are 11 13, 17 19, 29 31, 41 43, 59 61, 71 73. Students, let us move towards our question. The question is, write each of the following numbers as sum of twin primes. This question has three parts. First part is 24, second is 120, and third is 144. The meaning of the question is, we have to write those twin prime numbers. When we will add those twin prime numbers, the sum will be 24 in first part, and in second part 120, and in third part 144. The strategy to solve this question is that you will write twin prime numbers in rough work. Students, remember there are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers. You should focus on the rough work. 8 is the sum of twin prime numbers 3 and 5. 24 is the sum of twin primes 11 and 13, and this is the solution of our first part of the question. 120 is the sum of twin primes 59 and 61, and this is the solution of our second part of the question. Similarly, 144 is the sum of twin primes 71 and 73, and this is the solution of our third part of the question.